Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add confirmation email in Formidable form plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our form and this is our two field email confirmation emails. So we are going to validate emails also. If user add same email address in both field, then form submit. If both emails is not matched, then form submission not done. If you are using registration form by using this plugin, then you can add this functionality. Now you see we have two emails, confirmation emails. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code and you'll find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see field ID, change 29 to the ID of the confirmation field, second field. Now go to form. So this is our second field, confirmation email, so click on it and then you see ID 29. So this ID we adding in custom code. Now you see, and then you see item meta 28. So this is our first field. Now go to form again. Now you see this is our first email, so click on it and then you see ID 28. So we are using this ID 28 in custom code. Now you see 29 28 and then you see custom message. The email addresses enter do not match. If you want, you can customize this message and then scroll down. You see inside method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now you see snippet created and saved. Go to form page and refresh the page. So now we are going to add some information, some add text. Now you see email. So we are going to add change email address here. Now you see both emails are different and then click on submit. Now you see message, there was a problem with your submission, errors are marked below, the email addresses enter do not match. Now you see. So now we are going to add same email address, copy this, now paste and then click on submit to check. Now you see form submission done successfully. So in this way you can add confirmation email address to email address and then match emails in Formidable form in WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.